I bought a car. Isn't this crazy? Because this is my first time in my life that I have another car besides than mine. I have been wanting this car for a hot minute, but I didn't feel like I wanted it just because I have my 240 already. But this is a car that I wanted before I wanted my 240, and it's crazy that I own 2 cars now. That's the most craziest thing that ever happened to me in my life, that I own 2 cars. Not really, it's not crazy at all. I got it from a friend for really cheap, and I'm beyond so excited to what I can do this car with. It's a new world opening up to me because this is the world that I have not yet to be dived into, and I know this is a whole different scene for me, although I have a lot of friends who are in this scene, but I'm not personally in the scene, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's go look at my car. This is called Infiniti Q45. Specifically, it's a Y33 Nissan SEMA in Japan. This one is a VA model. It has the VH41DE. I'm so happy right now because I got it for super cheap. Thank you so much, Layton, for this great freaking deal. Alright, well, first thing first, this hood. It seems like it had a SEMA badge. I think it's a SEMA hood. I have no clue, but I need to get a new emblem, and it's black right now. It's like this faded black. Next thing we have this pretty bad scratch. I think it's okay. I mean, it's not bad. This side of fog isn't working, so I have to figure out what's wrong with it. This, I don't know what's going on here. I have no idea how this happened. I don't know if this is even salvageable. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that. This metal trim, it's like rusted here and there. I think I have to sand it down or something and paint this, and then fix this, trim. Like clear is appealing here, also here, and then this place. I don't know what's going on there. A fat dent over here. Seems like it's been pounded out. I think I can just bondo it. I don't think it's that hard. I need to just pound it out a little bit more. Should be okay. And these fenders are pretty bacon. I mean, I guess I could bondo it to make it nice. I don't know, maybe. It looks kind of bad. I wish it wasn't bacon. This side is pretty bacon. I feel like I could fit a pretty wide wheel. Yeah, I mean, over here it needs to be, pulled out a little bit more. Obviously, it's super not great. But yeah, that's about it. Engine, it doesn't start up right away. I was told that it's something to do with injectors, and clean an injector will help get the car started in no time. Interior is my favorite part because, I mean, look at that. It's pretty clean. Like, interior is super clean, this car. I don't know how I have another one of these. What's the difference? But I have another center trim. So that's cool. A little bit stained over there, but I mean, nothing, you know, a little cleaning would do just fine. Great thing about this car, it has AC. That is amazing. It takes a while to get cold. It feels luxurious, like seats, amazing feeling. Like obviously it's super filthy, like some things are kind of broken. But I feel like I'm gonna do some cleaning, make it look nice a little bit. I think that's kind of what I want to do. I don't know if sunroof works because this car has a sunroof. Does it work? Oh, dude, no way. Sunroof works. Oh my god, this is crazy. Holy shit, sunroof works. That's crazy. This car has sunroof. I've never had sunroof in my entire life. This is sick. This is so sick. Okay, so I just cleaned, you know, just generalized the area of, you know, interior, just because there's just so much dust, so much craziness, and I just have to do it. And it's fairly clean, but obviously the ground is dirty and I have to vacuum them and stuff, and that's probably what I'm gonna be doing right now. And I'm gonna be using, there we go, the Shine Armor Interior Cleaner. I'm gonna be using this and clean one more time on the interior to get the shine that I want. And hopefully that will give us the amazing interior final finish. I'm really hoping that it will work. But yeah, let's get right in. always happen when I'm washing the car. It decided to rain. Anyway. All this were cleaned out. This is the best I can get, but it was filthy. So much dirt that I can't even explain how bad it was. Especially over here, I cleaned it really good. So yeah, it's pretty good. Of course, I cleaned the door jambs. You know, I have to. It's really bad over here too, but it looks good now. It's pretty cleaned up. Alright, engine bay. I sprayed water. And look, it's pretty cleaned up. I don't have it before because it was really bad. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty clean. I'm really happy with that. But yeah, my car's all cleaned up, and you know, this car is ready to see the road. Man, it's raining really hard. We have to do something with this windshield. Like, I cannot see anything. So I think I have to use Rain-X, make it better, you know. Alright, well, basically this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my newest video of my newest car in our collection. I am so excited to do what I'm gonna be doing soon to this car, and hopefully I wanted to document all types of stuff that I'm gonna be doing to this car. So yeah, very excited. Next video, I think we're gonna get started with bodywork, because I think painting is probably something that might happen first. So you know the drill. Make sure to subscribe and follow all my social media. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and support me in my journey on YouTube. You guys can shop at www.hiddenpalmtree.com. You guys can buy my newest merch. And I make a lot of stickers too. Everything is designed by me. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.